Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova like this. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.